Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. You see here we have park assist problem. The rack and pinion was being changed or power steering, and we are trying to check and see if we can do something with this one. First, we have to know what is the problem that we have. So I'm going to diagnose this car first. Okay, I will go to BMW diagnose. Let me see if I will be able to read some information. What code we have. I'm gonna run a complete diagnose and then we come back. Let's see what we have. Operation, read new data, read identification or connect to the vehicle. I'm supposed to get an interface connected. Yes, here is the ENET cable. I'm able to connect with the ENET. Set up connection. ENET is a small cable. You see, there is nothing there. The head unit is the same like a nice Toyota Mongoose. You see here, I'm able to read the information as a quick. This F15 auto gearbox. Vehicle verification. F15 off-road vehicle. You see that the power is like I will say okay. Now I'm gonna go here to start vehicle test. We're gonna test the whole car. Then we see what code we have, what's the possibility, and what we need to do. The good news, battery is fully charged, and this is one of the best tools that you can use. You see here, park assist. We have a couple of codes there. We're gonna wait till it finishes. You see, it's reading all the information overall. This one can run a couple of times. Opening background process. Read vehicle context. You see this one here. Let me see one thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because it's not coded yet. Initialization of drive. You know, it's not initialized yet. Maybe that's why. Initialization of the driving stabilization. Okay, so it's nothing is there. We are going to wait a little bit. It takes some time, but we wait. Okay, still doing it. It takes some time to get the information. Then we have all these codes here. You see here, this is our problem. You see EPS coding data not much. Coding control not encoded. That means electronic power steering is not encoded. So when I'm gonna go to calculate test plan, This is what I did. EPS. This one here. He will give us the code first. Yes, you see here. Electronic power steering coding and controlling is not coded. The following for the store in the car. Coding data does not match vehicle, so that it was not coded yet. All our problem here is we have to do coding in this car. Continue. If you want to know anything about it, you say controlling not coded, measurement. This is the wiring diagram if you want to know how it's working. You see here, this is 2 power and communication data. Where does the communication data come from? Let me see. We have this one here. From the body control module, BDC. Okay, so it's related. It have a power and ground and communication coming from the body domain control. So this is the idea, but our work now is to go and do the what they call coding for this. This is the body control module, and everything is related to it. If you need to pin assignment, you can get it from here, but I don't want nothing from that. All our problem is come back to the code that we just spoke about it. That this car need coding. There also EPS startup. I don't know what that means. Display. This serving hands fault in the electric. This is multi-value system parameter renew startup carry out procedure of which may differ depending on the parameter. The service function, you know, like they may have to do some parameter or some function to do the, you know, like to set it up correctly. This is the steering column. After you finish it, you have to do some function, I believe. So if you don't do it, but you cannot do that unless you code it first. So please stay with us. We are going to code it first, and then we come back. This is the first thing, we know the fault, and then the second, we have to code it, and then we come back to do the initialization if you need. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like.